How to fix Microsoft Photos app is not working properly in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, you will need to right-click on the Start button and then click on Apps and Features or Installed Apps for Windows 11. And then you will need to search for the Photos app by typing Photos and then click on the Photos app and then click on Advanced Options. And then scroll down and click on the Terminate button. And now you will need to click on the Repair. Now once it's repaired, click on Reset and then click on Reset. And then you might need to restart your computer before opening the Photos app again. Now if you actually open the Start menu and search for Photos and then click on the Photos app, it should load up and it should be working properly as expected. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you in the next one.